Hey guys, Jeff here from Adirondack Woodsman. Today I'm going to work in my backyard on removing this stump. It's basically a beech stump and it just constantly throws up sprouts. I'm going to try to dig it out. It doesn't look that big. It's probably about a foot in diameter, maybe a little less, maybe 10 inches. But the roots spread out forever. So we're going to see how we end up doing here. I'm hoping I don't mess up some of my blueberry the framing around my blueberry patch, but I may end up having a little bit of rework there. But anyways, hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. If you do, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to get more of this, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks a lot. Okay, I've got a couple of stumps actually. I've got one over here as well. May start with this one. Probably getting a little bit of roots from the other tree as well, the one over there. The strength in the backhoe is in the curl. Trying to do is break up the roots around the stump in order to get the stump out. That's kind of what I'm trying to do. I don't have a lot of access here, so here. I might be able to get them from over there later. I don't know. We'll see. We got one stump out. Okay, I got one stump out, and this one's halfway done. I gotta go on the other side in order to finish it up, I think. Oh, jeez. Don't hit this while you're trying to get out. Sawzall.
Yeah, I was gonna say you're gonna keep pulling on that one, buddy. You filming?
Well, all the other, huh?
You filming?
Yeah, but just, you know, I'll just put music to it when I get done, so there won't be any talk. See what I do here, what I was doing is if I can get at it and get the bucket on it, you get get it in between the teeth and then drag it, and it cuts it. it slowly
You got
cuts it.
something- You got something hanging right there.
Oh, I got a real big one here.
Yeah.
Maybe small ones. Who knows?
It doesn't have to be big. There's probably more under it.
It's
too.
big there, but there's one here, one here, one here.
Take a sawzall and loosen that up. There's probably some going straight down too.
Yeah. See, if you can get to the right angle, then it's not as bad.
Yeah, it's just getting it there.
This freaking beech, though, will grow anywhere.
Yeah, I know. We still got to cut those two down there. Sometime this year.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll just get the sawzall and cut them too. Yeah, it is moving some.
Oh, it's
you know.
moving, yeah, but
I'll try this first.
you got clippers.
It does up to 1.5 inches, or 1.25 inches. Close.
Son of a bitch, isn't it?
Well, roots are actually harder than like branches, you know. I think it's pretty close. There you go. Okay. Oops, jeez. I'm gonna end up down in there.
Well, you might be able to break some more out of it.
I was looking to see. There's probably not a big one under there, but there's one there, but that one's broke already. Is that the way it works? Okay guys, well, we're all done getting those stumps out, and I graded out the rest of what was here. This was basically 2 or 3 stumps that I pulled out. They were beech stumps, and they just end up sprawling out everywhere. You ended up having little sucker shoots coming up every year, and it just was a real nuisance. So I may do a little bit more, but not today, obviously. I filled in with the dirt that was left, pulled out a lot of the pieces of stump that I tore up, and the big parts of the stump are over there. But yeah, this worked pretty good. I'm going to let this settle a little bit, and then once it rains a few times and settles in, I'll probably put some gravel in here so I can get in and out of here. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you are subscribed, hit the bell where the subscribe was, and you'll get all my videos. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a great day.